What happens when adventure meets disaster in the middle of the ocean? Tami Oldham set sail with her fiancé chasing adventure. Suddenly, a Category 4 hurricane strikes. Wind howls, waves smash, and Tami is knocked out cold. She wakes up, wrecked boat, head throbbing, her fiancé gone. 1,500 miles from land, no radio, no engine, no help. But Tami fights back. She patches what she can, rigs a tiny sail, and sets off alone, broken, but not beaten. For 41 days she battles hunger, storms, and heartbreak. Against all odds, land finally appears. She survives, scarred but alive. Tami's true story became a book and a movie, but her real legacy? She never lost hope. Hit follow for more true survival stories that defy belief.